Hi friends, now we have a Dell Optiplex 3000 series mini CPU we have. In this CPU, the RAM need to be upgraded. I will show you how to remove the panel and how to upgrade the RAM. And also what are the features will be there inside, I will show you. Okay, there is one HDMI port, DP port, two USB, four USB ports and one LAN port is available in this CPU. In back side one screw is there, need to be removed that screw. Then only it will open. Like this need to be removed and simply push this like this, it will open. Okay, after this, below this slot there will be the RAM. I will show you how to open this panel. This and this should be pressed both. Before that, before pressing this one, you need to be, the fan cable is there and also speaker cable will be there, need to be removed in the proper way. Okay, and then both the panel should be pressed and then it will open like this. Inside it is the RAM and this is the M.2 slot SSD hard disk. For upgrading the RAM, need to check. Now the RAM is 4 GB. Now we are going to upgrade it to 8 GB. Okay, the speaker should be removed. That's it. Okay, then the same position need to fix. That's it. That's it. Okay. One minute. Now the screw should be tightened. Now the finished work RAM has been upgraded. That's it. Okay. Thank you.